In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Blackbox AI in Visual Studio Code. So Blackbox AI is a powerful tool that helps developers write code faster with AI-powered suggestion. So first, make sure you open your Visual Studio Code and then on the extension on the left panel, so click this extension and then search for Blackbox AI. So select the official extension. So make sure it's official. So click this and then click the install and then wait for the installation to complete. So after the installation, you can open the Blockbox AI tab in VS Code and then sign in with your account or log in using your Blockbox AI account. If you don't have one, you can create an account on their website. So once it's done, you can see on the left side that the Blockbox AI automatically open. So on the type box, you can type anything you want to code with Blockbox AI. For example, if you want to create a simple website or a starting page for a HTML file, you can type it in here and then Blockbox AI will give you codes for that. And that's it. So that's how you can use Blockbox AI here in Visual Studio Code to speed up your development process. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.